Welcome, peckish friends, to Gina's Sunshine Kitchen. Here's your host, Gina. Howdy, friends. It's an exciting day in the Sunshine Kitchen. Today, our special guest, Logan, has a question for us. How's it going, Logan? Good question. Let's find out. Here we have a graham cracker crust. Here is some pumpkin pie filling. And here is a pretty pastry cutout of a pumpkin. We'll pour the filling into the crust and top it with the pretty pumpkin pastry. Here's a fun tip. The plastic lining can double as a lid. Now let's put it in the oven. Let's cover up with foil. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh no! Oh! Let's see. Wow!
Yeah!
You're gonna carefully, very carefully pick it up. Set it over here to cool. Happy Thanksgiving!
Ooh!
I'd like to thank our guests for visiting us today. Join us next time as we find out what other small foods we can make in our small oven. See you next time! Oh man, and then this happened. All over the floor. Ugh.